Hi, this is Bade Adetishala. Welcome to Elevate Vocal Academy. Today I'm going to be talking about tone color, tone control. The reason why you sound the way you sound is firstly because of your stature. So, the size of your neck, the length of your neck, the shape of your nose, the size of your head all contributes to how you sound. You might not really like the way you sound, but you can fine tune the way you sound. So your natural sound is there and it can be fine tuned through tone control. So what you do is you're going to learn how to control the muscles here. Singing is affected from your stomach to your head. So your posture is basically between, the upper part of your body. What you need to do when it comes to tone control, the first thing is about your vowel sounds. Your vowel sounds go a long way in how your voice is being produced. Most of the sounds we make are vowels. I, he, ho, who, he. Now, we start from the shaping of mouth. So the way you shaping your mouth will determine the way your sound comes out. For instance, you have, oh Lord. If you shaping your mouth like this, oh Lord, you're going to have a wrong tone. So for the shape of mouth, your lips have to be wide and dropped at the same time. Wide and dropped. You can only show just a little of your upper teeth. Your lower teeth is not supposed to show to make to make the sound ha. For the sound e, you show upper and your lower teeth. For the sound lower teeth has to show. For the sound o, your lips have to go forward. They move forward and in a rounded way. For the round oo, your lips are rounded but not as forward as o. Oo, o, oo, e, both teeth. And for the rounded sound, your teeth are not showing. So let's do this. Sing. You're going to go from a lower pitch to a higher pitch, and you make sure that your mouth shape is not different, whether you are on the lower pitch or on the higher pitch. Let's go to let's go to O. Now there's a tendency for your O to become I see the tone has changed because now the straining of your neck has affected the shape of your mouth. So you don't want to do that. You want to do You see? So tone control starts from your vowel sounds. So go through this again. You can go higher than the pitch that I use now. Just do your sound the same way you're doing lower notes. You go to the higher notes and the higher one, and that's for vowel control, to control, to have a better tone color.